My first program in C++ using Visual Studio Code. So what you need to do is that you need to first of all install Visual Studio Code. After that, you need to go to the marketplace, this extension, and from this extension you need to install C/C++. This one, C++. So let me click on it and see it's already been installed in my Visual Studio Code. After installing C++, this extension, I have installed on GCC compiler. So you need to go to your Chrome and search for online GCC compiler. Not online GCC compiler. Download GCC compiler and then install it. In the last video, I have shown that how to install GCC compiler. I have shown that after installation of GCC compiler, what you need to do. So this is a sample program. So let me go to the Explorer one more time. So the name of the program is 1.cpp. It is a simple program, has include IO stream. So this is the header file. Then using namespace std, so that before cout I don't need to write again and again std. So cout is for printing something in the console. It will be printing hello world and return 0. Remember guys, you cannot say that int main, you cannot just say that void main. Void means returns nothing, void main. And if you press save, Ctrl S, so it's showing some error because see, okay. So let me comment out this line. Let's see if there is any error. Ctrl S, let me save the file. It's still not showing any error. Fine. So this is void main cout hello world. This is a simple program. So how to run this program? It's simple. I'll be writing G++ and then the name of the program is 1.cpp and its output file would be with the same name. So maybe 1. So -o means the output, the name of the output file. I'll be hitting enter from my keyboard. See, main. So this problem is what I faced is that in C++ programming you cannot, the main should return an integer. So I need to write here int main, and then I'll need to say that return 0. That's it. So I'll be running the code one more time. G++ is the compiler. It will be compiling 1.cpp, and after compilation the output file name would be 1. So here so there is no 1.exe file. So let me press enter, and the moment I press enter, an exe file is being created, 1.exe. Now simply to run my C++ programming, I need to write 1.exe and press enter, and it is showing hello world. Alternatively, you can run this also, run in this way also, run C++. Okay, error exists running G++ active file abort. So I will be clicking on this one and run C++ file. Let's see what happens. So it is building something. Debug anyway. Okay, so let me close this terminal. Launch program 1.exe does not exist. Okay, cancel. Let me close this and also delete this terminal, both of the terminal, and let me click on in here from the top. Okay, so I am facing some errors due to some reason, I don't know. I need to take a look at it. What you can do is that you can go to the terminal instead. So let me delete this terminal, view terminal, fine. And what you can do is that move into that folder where your C++ program is present. So it's taking, okay. So my C++ program, the first program is present within star pattern. So cd star pattern, press enter, and inside this star pattern you can G++ compiler would be compiling 1.cpp, and the output file name would be output file name would be maybe my program. Then press enter. Fine. Now to execute this program, I will be writing my program.exe and press enter. That's it. So what are the steps? Install Visual Studio Code. After that, go to this marketplace or this extension one. From there, install this one, CC++. It's by Microsoft. After that, go to your Google Chrome and search for GCC compiler. Download it and install in your computer. After installation of G++ compiler, just write a simple hash include IO string, and there some error will be shown. You need to go into that error section and open the JSON file, and in the JSON file, inside the include path, you need to mention the lib folder which I have shown in my previous video, and in the compiler path setting, you need to specify the path where gcc.exe file is being present. So that's a simple way of running a C++ program, and this is an introduction to C++ programming. Traditionally we execute C++ programming in dev C++, or maybe you can use online compiler, but if you choose to run your program in Visual Studio Code, you can do it in this way. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys, and happy